Welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Today, we're making she crab soup. Before we get to it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like it, comment below, tell your friends about us. Now let's get to it. Alright, so first we're going to start with making a blonde roux. We got 6 tablespoons of butter. Got about 6 tablespoons of AP flour. Now we're just trying to cook the raw flavor out of this flour here. We're not looking to do anything beyond that. Alright, so we got this blonde roux going here. This flour is just about cooked out, the raw taste. So now we got half a cup, which consists of 1/4 cup of grated celery and 1/4 cup of grated shallots. So dump those in. Now we like to grate those because it takes out the rib pieces off the celery, those strings. You do the same with the shallots because it makes it melt better into the soup overall. Good she crab soups doesn't have any crunch to it. It should be smooth and rich with a hint of sherry in the back end. Now we're going to brown this up a little bit this way. Not too long. Once everybody has a nice little pile here, we have some chicken stock, 2 quarts. You'll dump in. Now I like using chicken stock, it's got a little more of that gelatin from the bones, from the joints. Stock's made from bones and joints, not from the meat. Alright, now that roux and that stock is combined a little better, now we'll start with the main thickener here. Gonna make us a good creamy soup. Is 2 quarts of half and half. So you can let that go in slow. And never let this boil. If it boils, you'll start getting it to clabber on you. It's not what we're looking for. Now, from what I've read, she crab soup got started down in Charleston, South Carolina, at the governor's mansion. His butler, can't rightfully remember the gentleman's name, but they wanted a unique soup to serve the guests that night. So he got some crab roe, some cream, some crab, and some sherry. And he made them up a big old pot. They loved it, and ever since it's been a Charleston staple. Now, these days, crab roe itself has gotten pretty expensive. Now, for this recipe, instead of using crab roe, because it's pretty expensive, use hard-boiled egg yolks. Take 6 of them, take a fork to them, get them broken up. They're about the size of crab roe. Yeah. Put those in instead. Some of these guys don't want to join the party, but that's okay. They're going to join anyways. And we're going to let this come together. Oh, I forgot. Along with that half and half, you need 1 pint of heavy cream. There we go. Now, we're going to bring this up to a good simmer. Let this go for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so now we got our cream, our stock, our roux, our celery, our shallots are all come together. Now it's time to add in the sherry part of the she crab soup. Now, traditionally you'd add the sherry in teaspoonfuls to your final bowl. I prefer adding it to the soup now. Lets it melt a little better in the flavor. So I got a cup of cooking sherry here. I'm just going to pour that in. Give that a stir. Now we're going to start our seasoning. Now you can use different seafood seasonings of your choice. I like Old Bay. We'll start with a heaping teaspoon here. And as this is our primary season, I have added no other salt to this. It's going to take a little bit of it. We have a lot of rich flavors here from all the butter and the cream to break through. There we go. We can let that get together. It's looking pretty tasty. It's not she crab soup yet, though. We're still missing that crab, ain't we? Don't you worry. We got about 1.5 pounds that's sitting here to the side waiting to go in. It's going to be mighty good. Alright. That looks pretty. Now, crab. That's 1.5 pounds of this particular is actually red swimming crab. Couldn't get bluefin where I'm at this time of year. At least not for an exorbitant price. Crab is not cheap at times. So I can red swimming crab. This is wild caught. Steamed in can. It's been picked clean. Pretty good. Just want to add this in. Now, most recipes call for like 1 pound of this recipe. I like crab. I ain't gonna lie. So I always add an extra ½ pound just for me. There we go. Don't waste. Good Lord, it's too expensive. Get all these little bits and pieces in here. There we go. Now we'll give this a good stir. Now we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes at a simmer. It's going to thicken up on us. I'm going to give it another taste, season a little additional if you need it. And it's going to be pretty good. We're going to have a little taste. Let y'all see what that final product looks like. And watch y'all be jealous because you don't get to eat this. Unless you make it yourself, which I hope you do. I hope you're making everything I show because I like spreading that enjoyment of food with all you good people out there. Alright guys, I got me a mug of she crab soup up here. It's a little hot, so I'm going to give it a little stir here. You can see the steam coming off. Give it a taste. That's mighty good. It's rich. You get that sherry coming through. That little bay. You can get chunks of crab. A little bit of celery and shallot in there. I'll tell you what. Make yourself some. Don't matter if it's hot outside, cold outside, just make it. You'll love it. Guaranteed. That's she crab soup. There guys. Thanks for joining us today on Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We'll see you next time.